Collections, collections, collections. Everybody got that. Guys, stop sending out 15 USC 1692 GB letters. Stop it. 16 like 15 USC 1692 GB letters don't work anymore because there's a new law. And under the old law, you're asking them, oh, send me the original contract. Send me proof that you own this debt. Send me my wet ink signature. Stop it. Do not, you will never get collections deleted unless you do this. Unless you do what? You must use a 12 CFR 1006.34C dispute letter, right? You're disputing the validity of the debt. So it's a notice for validations of debt. Guys, stop it. Your collections are coming back verified, validated, and you are being sued by LV&V, Portfolio, Jefferson Capital, Midland Credit Management, all these collection agencies because you are sending out the wrong letters. Below is my debt collection killer pack that has all the new consumer laws in them that you can use. Remember this, in writing, a consumer can refuse to pay a debt collector, right? 15 USC 1692 CC, right? 12 CFR 1006.6C. You can refuse to pay a debt collector. You don't have to pay a debt collector. I'm not telling you not to pay a debt collector. I'm telling you you don't have to based on the law, okay? Because there are debts that are past the statute of limitation. Some of you don't even know that the debt that a debt collector is collecting or attempting to collect has passed the statute of limitation. Some of you have been tricked into paying a collection account that you got swindled into paying on a debt that they can't even legally collect on anymore. It's crazy, huh? Some of you still have medical collections on your credit report, and medical collections is not even supposed to be on your credit. I know, I came too hard at you, right? Pause. It's a pause, right? Pause. No diddy. There are many ways to get collections deleted from your credit. You can do a pay for deletion where you can negotiate the debt. And if you're going to go the route of a pay for deletion, don't pay them unless you get it in writing that they are going to delete the debt from your credit and they will not report or sell the debt to anyone else. So let's walk through how you would do a pay for deletion. Hello. Yes. Um, I'd like to do a pay for deletion. Pay for deletion? What do you mean a pay for deletion? This is where I'm going to pay you a portion of what I owe. So how much are you claiming that I owe? Well, Daraine, you owe us $3,000. Well, I don't have 3,000 right now, but I do have $1,700. And I can give this to you effective immediately, but on one condition. See, I know you paid pennies on the dollars for the debt. So let's be real here. I know you're not at loss for this alleged debt. So I can pay you the $1,700 in full, but what I need in return is a letter where you say you are going to delete this debt and you will not resell or reinsert this debt on my credit. So as soon as I get confirmation of this notice from you in writing, then no, I will make the payment and we are both get on our way, get on with our life. You make your commission, I get it off my credit, we're both good. It's a win-win situation. Who told you about this? Just don't tell him that you follow Daraine Delevante, all right? So my boy Daraine Delevante, my consumer law expert, he put me in game. And guess what? In writing, a consumer can refuse to pay a debt. So if you don't accept the pay for deletion, I can just refuse to pay. And then now we have to go another way. But you see, I'm in a good mood. I don't want to cause any problems for anybody. We can duke it out. But like I said, I stand on 10 toes. If you don't want to delete it, then we can really go ham on this. And remember, the alleged contract also has an arbitration clause in there. Just keep that part in mind, okay? So If you decide not to take me upon this offer, I'm going to bring it to arbitration. And guess who's responsible for all the arbitration fees? You are. You bought the contract, or you were assigned the contract. So you have to bear the responsibility financially of all arbitration proceedings. So let me know what you would like to do. All right. Thank you. You send me my pay for deletion. Amazing. All right. Talk to you soon. Right. So it's just a simple conversation like that. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary, just a simple conversation where you're negotiating the best possible pay for deletion. My thing is this: if you're going to do a pay for deletion, 50%, between 40 to 60%, never 80 or 100%. Oh, hell no, no. They bought this for pennies on the dollars. No, I'm at 40%. Like if they can go lower, test your gangster. Test your gangster. All right. So I would go like 40%, minimum 30 if I'm really trying to really weasel my way out of it. But if I'm going to do a pay for deletion between 30 and 60, I am not going above 60%. I'll go as low as possible, but I'll start with something that could be equitable to both parties, which is 30%. So if I owe $1,000, $300, let's just negotiate this for $300. If I can get it for less, best believe I'm gonna push that envelope, right? But 30 to 60% is where I would normally negotiate any type of settlement and get it not pay for deletion. Okay, so that's it for collection. There's a lot more to collection. If you want the collection letters, they're below. Just click the link. You'll get access to my debt collection killer pack. And go be great. Delete them collections. Don't be crazy. Make sure that the debt collector can legally collect the debt. Make sure they're not banned. There's a lot of stuff when it comes to collection, guys. This video can't give you everything, but it gives you a great start to go and get these collections deleted. See you guys on the next video.